Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the document and selecting the problem text. Turn on formatting marks so you can see manual line breaks and extra spaces. Those often break justification. With the text selected, apply Justify from the Home tab or press Ctrl+J to force alignment. Once done, scan the paragraph for paragraph symbols and hard returns. Remove any you find because they stop proper justification. Make sure you work on the same paragraph block before moving to spacing adjustments. Now you refine how Word distributes words. Open the paragraph dialog and confirm alignment is justified. Click Line and Page Breaks to check for odd breaks. Enable automatic hyphenation from the Layout tab so long words split across lines and reduce white space. Then open Font right arrow Advanced to review character spacing and kerning. Avoid excessive tracking that creates gaps. Once these are set, use a quick preview. If gaps persist, proceed to remove double spaces and non-breaking spaces that force uneven line length. Finish by cleaning character-level issues that block justification. Use Find and Replace to remove double spaces and replace manual line breaks with standard spaces. Convert non-breaking spaces only where needed. Insert manual hyphens for stubborn words or try discretionary hyphens so lines flow better. If the paragraph still looks wrong, paste the text into a new document or export to PDF to lock layout. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, select the paragraph and toggle Clear Formatting, then reapply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.